Hey, you alright?
Yeah.
Hey.
Been on the track, literally, to find this place.
We found an abandoned mansion with some outhouses. We're down the south still of England. It says on the front gate that it's a police dog training area, so we'll go and find out the hard way. But yeah.
Got to do it, yeah.
Right, let's get up there and let's get in there. Right, see you in there. That's the outhouse bit. You can proper torch there. Look at that. I wonder if this is where the fire started.
Yeah.
Look here. Oh. Steering wheel. Such a shame. It's a beauty as well. This was obviously the garage. That old lawnmower there. Look at it. Oh, I love it. Little handheld one as well. Look at that. God knows what that bit is there. So God knows. Looks like an old cabling. Well, yeah. There's a greenhouse. Well, I think we know where the fire probably started. In the garage, by the looks of it. And it looks like it spread over to the house. And I don't know if you can see, but there's another ickle house just down there that we're going to go and have a look in afterwards.
Here you go.
Yeah. It's overcooked. Jesus Christ. Is that like an old typewriter?
Yeah.
Can't see it. Socks. Where?
On each end of the...
Oh God knows. Someone's put socks on the table. Some pretty cool old decor in there. What the hell is that? Is that... It looks like another sort of table. Wow, they left all the old chairs in there. Your kind of thing, this. Yeah. These pink chairs.
They're lovely, aren't
They are. Storage bit there. I've all got this sort of same symbol on.
they?
If anyone knows what that symbol is, let me know, because there's another one here there.
Maybe it's just a make.
Yeah, whatever make it is, let us know. That's it. That's where you hold, everything careful. Oh, yeah. Old tools in there. And have a look what view you would have got in your garden. Old service hatch. I don't know what these are. What the hell are they for? No.
Oh, look, there's a pot in them.
Jesus. Anyone knows what those little holes are inside this room? Yeah, let me know. Ain't got a clue.
What's this? Oh.
Oh, fucking hell. Old sewing machine.
I love pink.
It's funky. I don't basement, just under the stairs, full of crap. Now the kitchen. Jesus Christ. I should say what was the kitchen. Deluxe Scotch whisky. See an old cooker there, but I mean, pointed down. There's another set of steps that went across there.
Oh my god, what's in that?
Whole bathroom. This is all back, obviously. Jesus Christ. And that is the kitchen and everything down there. Right guys, we'll go around the back. We'll have a little look from the back and see if we can get a closer look at the kitchen. But if not, here's another little outhouse just down there. I'll tell you what, if you like them pink chairs in the living room, give this video a thumbs up, because I thought they were pretty cool.
I like the pink all around here.
She loved all the pink and decorating. God, it stinks in here. Fucking stinks. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea what that is. Fancy little blinds, though. Yeah, obviously came straight into the kitchen. Look, see all the storage.
Oh, look at that. What's that? Storage.
Still some cans and bottles in there. Oh, I love them type of cookers. There. Them type of cookers are. These are awesome. My granddad has one of them.
He does, doesn't he?
Yeah. The old dishwasher with the cutlery in it.
First aid box.
First aid box. Still got all the cleaning stuff underneath.
The
sink. Well, what the hell's this? Time travelling. What the hell is that? Different part. Just take the bag off like I did. As you'll see, there's a nice slab of concrete. I'll have it through.
Nicotine?
Dishwasher. Let's have a look through there. Another bathroom and that down there. Some interesting stuff. An umbrella.
Ooh, Christmas.
Must have stored stuff in there.
Well done.
There's another set of stairs that come up here.
Yeah.
Oh, these are plans. Oh, awesome.
Nursery.
Staff living. Mr. Casme. Some more tennis rackets in the bathroom. What the hell? Got some old records and that. These are... Ah, they're just DVRs. Okay. These are more DVDs. I thought they were like them old film things that go on a big projector. Like a mini one. Like a mini projector thing, but it's not. Some slides and that in there as well. Gotta be careful. This is like proper burnt out bit. You'll see. Lamplight and silent film. God. The lamplight is silent film. Looks like some arty kind of books there.
Quite a lot of books here.
Asylum.
Mm.
Obviously, must have been a reader in there. See if I can get this door open. Oh, not a chance. But you'll see it's all burnt out. Just to give you a sort of overview of the garage there. Onto the outhouse. I'm going to go down now. Yeah, it's got some more bed frame in it. Some tools. God. Say some tools, yeah. Look, it's got all, some more magazines.
I thought that was a dart thing on there.
What's a dart doing on there?
Oh, I remember this sort of sound.
Steel wide armour. Lots of pine cones if you want.
1901.
Where?
Here. 1901.
Founded in 1901, baby.
Oh. Yeah, that's...
No. It means it was founded in 1901.
Oh,
It's not the date. December 1991.
Sorry, I was wrong. It's not often.
Obviously, whoever lived there was into the carpentry. Some workstations and some tools. Right. Do go and have a look at that.
Oh, look at that, lovely trousers.
Look around there. Oh my god, there's like a bloody sub in there.
The vintage trousers. Yeah, you can just tell, look.
I don't know. I've obviously had a dog.
Yeah, I can see what you...
Dog bar. Quite an old
smells like
sub in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Dog bathroom.
Here we go. Really weird.
Okay, it goes underneath. Do the old living room first. Wow, it's pretty good, really.
Yeah.
Shame about the graffiti, but that's standard now, isn't it, when you go in these places. You would have had a nice view out your window. It's nice. Look at that. All that land out there. It's just gone to waste. Shame.
Yeah, because this house isn't burned.
No, this house is in good nick.
That's what I mean, there's acres and acres of land.
Kitchen. Now for some oak bits. It's been left, isn't it? Some fucking funky old shoes there.
Oh my god, they're not bowling shoes.
I think they are bowling shoes. Yeah,
Oh, look at
I think they are.
dog treats.
Yeah. Hob. Cutlery's still left in that, I don't get it.
Did the other side.
There's beers, Budweisers. Oh, there's some more combats up here. Nazi sign for some reason. What's this in here? Oh, look at that.
Oh my. Look at that.
Not bad, that's
No, the cover, it's beautiful.
I know the cover, but
Do you reckon someone's living here?
don't know. No. Look at them.
We have to take a selfie with us in there. 100%.
It's the old bathroom. Knife on the floor, just in case. We've all seen a shitter before.
The toilet.
No.
For God's sake, I need a pee.
God, there is some. Maybe there's some clothes and that in there. Look at that, a Timberland.
Body warmer.
Yes, yeah, body warmer. some pillars, tissues. And there are some more clothes in here. Does make you wonder.
It's just a wind, isn't
Yeah, it is a wind.
it? These are their old clothes, as you can tell.
I thought this was pretty cool. We got an old caravan. I've been absolutely smashed in, unfortunately.
Hey guys, that brings us to the end of this video. We had, sorry, it's just a wind, it sounds like there's someone there. Just checking. We had an awesome time exploring this. It was actually, there's a lot more things in there than we thought there'd be, which is literally always a bonus. The caravan, thought it was amazing. The pink on, you know, and just even seeing the floor, yeah, the chairs and the rocking chairs and the other chairs, just everything. So let us know, as we said in the video, let us know what your favourite thing was. Comment on down below.
And if, well, my favourite thing now was the rocking chairs. If you agree, give me a thumbs up.
Yeah, like rocking chairs. They're just two like perfectly placed rocking chairs just in the middle of the room. Like, why? We don't know. I'm sure you don't know. If you do, then you know, tell us. But we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Also, like the video. Comment and give us a comment down. But yeah, we'll see you on the next one. I'm going to try and get out of here. So, right. You happy? Yeah, I'm happy. You happy? I'm happy. You happy? You're happy. See you later, guys. Good. See you on the next one.